Today, let's walk through how to download and install the RIIN software. First, scan the QR code provided in the printed user manual to access the digital user manual. In the digital manual, locate the software download section and copy the URL into your browser's address bar. This will take you to the download page. You can also download the software directly from the official HTVRONT website. On the left, you'll find RIIN software, and on the right, Better Printer. Make sure to download both. Double-click the RIIN installer. When prompted, select your preferred language and click OK. Click Next. Accept the license agreement. And continue. Confirm or change the installation directory. We recommend installing outside of the C drive. Click Next. Choose whether to create a desktop shortcut, and continue clicking Next until the Install button appears. During installation, a pop-up component installer will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions. All components are safe and have passed security checks. Once installation is complete, click Finish and restart your computer. After restarting, open RIIN. When the default parameter window appears, select No. Then, set the canvas size to 330 mm width times 400 mm height. And click OK to save. Now RIIN is fully installed and ready to go.